Jake Nicolle here with Robio Nicolle Real Estate Team. We are at our latest listing here in Stoney Creek. Behind me is 30 Guernsey, and here's what's so special about this property. We're situated right in the middle of Millen and DeWitt Road here in Stoney Creek. We're just a little bit away from the lake in terms of proximity. We have views of the Niagara Escarpment in the background, and here's what's so special about this property. 3 bedrooms upstairs, a nice high ceiling height basement bedroom as well for a +1 in the basement. We have 4 bathrooms, and we have this lovely architecturally exciting exterior as well as the living room where you have this vaulted ceiling with like 16 feet of vaulted ceiling space, lots of light, a beautiful open concept kitchen, living room space. Look guys, I could tell you every single detail about this home, but I'd rather say, come take a look inside and dare I say, welcome home. Conclusion of today's tour here at 30 Guernsey. I hope you guys had a lovely time viewing this beautiful home. I wanted to show you this backyard space because it's so private, it's so tranquil, it's a beautiful area. Look at the green of the hedge here, this lovely deck sitting area. The exterior being all brick is lovely, and I love that when you're back here, if you come around this way, you'll notice we just have trees that we're looking out at like you saw in that upper level primary. Tons of privacy, lovely garden over here around the side. The home shows beautifully. So look, if you want to come see this home in person, come take a peek and see all that Stoney Creek has to offer. I'd love to take you through this one. Feel free to pick up the phone and give me, Jake Nicolle, a call, 289-204-2227. And I'd love to help you find your dream home, whether it's this one or the next, but I have a feeling it just might be 30 Guernsey. Cheers.